Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a portable hotspot on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. Begin by opening the control center. To do so, click these three icons on your taskbar, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and then navigate down to the next page either by scrolling down on the top part of this window or by clicking next page icon. Then enable Mobile Hotspot by clicking this icon right here. From now on your hotspot is enabled, and if you want to configure it, you can right click this icon, click go to settings, then you can check which way you transfer your data. You can expand this list and choose either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can also decide whether or not you want to use power saving mode, which will automatically disable mobile hotspot when no devices are connected to it. You can also change the properties of the network, like name, password, and the band type of the network by clicking edit icon and providing the values that you need into the following fields, and also selecting the network band by expanding this list and selecting one of these three values. To apply changes, click save. If you want to quickly connect to the network, you can scan this QR code using other devices camera, and here you can see the list of connected devices. You can disable mobile hotspot right from in this menu by switching this toggle off. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.